Hey guys, my name's Lee, and I'll be your host for your stay at the High House in Highlands, North Carolina. First off, thank you so much for booking the home. I know you're gonna have an amazing time. There are a few things that I do wanna show you about the house to maximize your enjoyment. And first, it's how to enter the home. You're gonna get a personalized code that's good for the duration of your stay. So to enter the home, all you're gonna do is walk up to the door, put in that number, and you'll be able to enter. Come on in. All right, so you're in Highlands. You might want a fire while you stay here. Good news, firewood is included in your stay and it's right outside the front door. The next thing is how to start it. Now let me tell you from personal experience, this is the best way because I've almost lost my eyebrows a few times. Here's how to do it. There's gonna be some fire starter logs in this box right next to the fireplace. What you wanna do is grab the lighter right there, light it, and put it on the wood. Then you'll come right over here. You'll grab this fancy key and you'll put it right here. What this will do is turn on the gas. Now the key is just turn this ever so slightly because the tank is located on the opposite side of the home. It'll take a little while for the gas to come through that line. So if you turn it and you're like, nothing's happening. Well, when you go over there, your eyebrows might get burnt like mine almost did. So this is definitely the best way to make sure everyone stays safe and to have an awesome fire. So one of my favorite amenities about the High House is this 2-grill setup on this custom-made outdoor grill porch. I want to show you real quick all the features and how to use these grills. So the first, we have the big green egg. So included is this, you have charcoal, you have your lighter, all your utensils that you need to make any type of dish you want. Steak, hamburger, chicken, fish, whatever, this guy will do it for you. Right over here, we have the smoker. This is a Traeger, fantastic smoker grill. There is a few things to know about it though. This uses pellets, not charcoal. Those pellets can be found in the closet right next to the master bedroom. What you're gonna do is take those pellets and dump them in here and turn the grill on. Pretty simple, right? And you can navigate to what temperature you would need it to. The only thing that we ask though is because Highlands is in the mountains, of course, and it's a little humid up here, has some moisture in the air, these pellets actually break down and cause the grill to clog up. So all you need to do is just leave the grill on and it'll burn all the pellets off. So you just wanna make sure there's not any pellets in this catch. I want you guys to take advantage of this amazing porch in all seasons. So what we've done is we've installed 6,000 watt Bromic heaters right above the table and the lounge area. These are controlled with these remotes right here. They have a medium and a high setting. Additionally, on the back, it'll tell you which one that it controls. We also have a gas fireplace out here. You want to work hard for the indoor one for sure. This one we want a little bit easier for you guys. This remote, simple on and off, and you have a beautiful, warm fireplace. So grab some blankets, grab some friends, and enjoy. Well, that about wraps it up for me here, showing you the quirks and features of the High House. I know you're gonna enjoy your stay here, and it's my goal to help you have a relaxing and rejuvenating experience. So if you need anything or have any questions, I'm just a phone call or a text message away, and I'm always available to help you.